All right,
Hi,
Vaishnavi, over to you now. Let's start. COVID 19, how does it kill us?
my
Start.
topic was COVID-19 and how does it infect and kills us? There are many main symptoms of COVID-19. So can you take the fourth slide?
Yes,
There
this
are
is.
many main symptoms of COVID-19 like fever, coughing, shortness of breathing, trouble of breathing, fatigue, chills, sometimes with shaking, body aches, headache, sore throat, runny nose, loss of smell or taste, nausea, diarrhea. These are symptoms we mainly get in COVID-19.
Okay.
The next slide, please.
Yeah, yeah, we are on the next.
Sir, as you told in the last class about lungs and about alveoli, the
Yes.
lungs first only it affects our nose. From the nose, it goes to our lungs. In the lungs, the alveoli get affected with the gummy gummy layer of that is called mucus. The gummy layer that gets surrounded at the alveoli that is called mucus, and the liver. Up to the half of hospitalized patients have immunized levels that signal a struggling liver and immune system in overdrive, and drugs given to fight the virus may be causing the damage. The liver, these are symptoms. It is very dangerous. The COVID-19 is very dangerous in the liver too. Kidneys, intestines, brains, eyes, nose, heart, and blood vessels. I think that everyone must be knowing the full form of COVID-19. The full form of COVID-19 is coronavirus disease since 2019. Sir, next slide, please.
Right.
If we want to protect us from COVID-19, it is the only way to improve our immunity system. We can improve our immunity system by taking the natural things, not the not the junk foods or like that. Sir, next slide, please. How to improve immunity system? You can drink ginger water, hot water with including tulsi, taking steam 2 times in a day with putting turmeric powder, tulsi, and 1 drop of eucalyptus oil. It is also good for our immune system. Washing hands by soap or hand wash, applying sanitizer. Washing clothes after coming from outside and drying it in the sunlight so bacteria get killed. It is a main point that when we go out and come, we should wash our hands and apply sanitizer. We should wash clothes. It should be dried in the sunlight because bacteria get killed. It is the main point that we should dry it in the sunlight. Sir, next slide, please. Sir,
Yeah.
can you on the video?
Hello children, this is Selvi. How are you all? I believe you all are fine and safe in your home. I think you all are enjoyed this quarantine day by watching TV, playing games in your mobiles. Is it children? Are you playing games in your mobiles? Don't play games in your mobiles. Okay? Today I am going to share some points about immune system and food that keeps us healthy. In recent days, when we watch the news or anything, you all have heard about immunity, how to improve our immune power, like this. Did any one of you think what is immunity? Yes, immunity means the ability of an organism to resist an infection. Immunity means the ability of an organism to resist infections. The purpose of immune system is to protect our body from virus, bacteria or some other infections. Your immune system protects against disease, infections and helps you recover after an injury. An immune system saves your lives. So, to improve our immune system, we should take immune-rich foods. For example, citrus fruits, which contain lot of vitamin C. Broccoli, it is supercharged with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant. Garlic, ginger, and green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fibers. Yogurt. Yogurt can also be a great source of vitamin D. Next, almond, turmeric. Turmeric, which increase the antioxidant capacity of the body. Poultry, which contains proteins. So, we will take this type of foods to improve our immunity power. It is very important to maintain our immunity power in these days. So, we should take this type of foods of life and for growth. There are different types of nutrients. They are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Where carbohydrates and fats are provides energy to our body. Example: potatoes, egg, meats. Proteins. Protein and the food help the body to grow. And protein-rich foods are cheese, milk, chicken, etc. Minerals and vitamins. The body needs minerals and vitamins to remain us healthy. Example: green leaves, carrot, sprouts, etc. So, we will take lot of nutritional foods and that keeps us healthy. Okay.
Thank you, Vaishnavi.
Welcome, sir.
Okay. All right. That was very, very nice. So, very, very nice. The video was also very good. So, let's give a one big clap, round of applause to Vaishnavi for making this thing very good. And any of you have questions? Shabash, Aditya. Aditya, you have questions? Please ask Vaishnavi if you want to ask something, bete.
No, sir, I don't have question.
Okay. So, balanced diet and regular exercise. So, thank you, bete. Thank you, Vaishnavi. Very nice. So,
Welcome, sir.
What is biotic and abiotic? Biotic is a thing. Uh, Biotic is a living thing which has complex as well as simple cell structure. Biotic things are in simple words can be said as living things. And abiotic. What is abiotic? The non-living thing which has complex as well as simple structures of molecules or atoms. In simple words, we can also say the non-living things. For example, water, stones, minerals, etc. Spheres of the earth. The earth in which we live consists three main spheres, which supports biosphere. Biosphere means the life. We are a part of biosphere. So the three spheres which supports biosphere are atmosphere, which is air, hydrosphere, water, and lithosphere, land. Atmosphere is the thing uh, which surrounds us till the height of upper region. Hydrosphere is the water which we drink, which we use to bath, etc. And lithosphere is the land in which we walk, run, jump, etc. First, I am going to explain the atmosphere. Atmosphere is the upper layer of the earth. It consists of five more layers. In atmosphere there are five layers, namely stratosphere. The troposphere is the first layer of the atmosphere. It the Each and every kinds of aeroplanes, hot air balloons, clouds are uh, are the are the residents of the troposphere. Stratosphere. Uh, the the jet planes can reach to the region of stratosphere maximally. Also, the stratosphere has a main gas known as ozone, which protect us from UV rays. Mesosphere. The mesosphere is a region where the natural lights are there, that are aurora, and the meteors or asteroids start burning after entering this layer. The tropo Thermosphere. Thermosphere is the layer in which all the satellites revolve around us. And the exosphere is the layer where space shuttle goes for exploration of another regions of space. It also atmosphere has also different gases which are in proportions. Is nitrogen, which is 78%, oxygen, which is 21%, and argon gases, carbon dioxide are in other proportions. So next, hydrosphere. Hydrosphere, hydrosphere is the combination of the water molecules known as hydrosphere. Hydrosphere includes each and every glaciers, rivers, seas, oceans, etc. Also, the hydrosphere has a cycle known as water cycle, in which due to the heat of sun, the water on the land evaporates in the form of gases known as water vapor. It has different process which it has to undergo different process at last forming a clouds, and after the clouds precipitate down as rain again. There are also landforms under the ocean known as ocean floor. Uh, as the as the land as the land as the continents are continuous, it also goes under the oceans, and the different landforms such as mountains, plateaus, volcanoes, which we can see on land, are also present under the oceans. So next, lithosphere. The lithosphere is the hard part of the earth, in which we walk, run, or uh, and we can. The lithosphere consists of only three layers that are only two layers that are crust and upper mantle. Lithosphere crust has two more layers, which is Sial and Sima. Sial can be known as the continental crust. Sial is the short form of the periodic table. C means the silicon, and Al means aluminium, and Sima is the oceanic crust, which means silicon, and Ma means magnesium. So thank you. Said that much only.
Very nice,
So
Bete.
I must be explaining the whole part of ocean floor in next presentation.
And the one suggestion I had, once you complete the presentation, you should give a small summary. You have to now tell us what is your message. Presentation is in three parts, Bete. Introduction, explanation, summary. All right. So you did a very good explanation, but remember, you have to make a small summary also. Anytime, Bete, when you speak or you explain, even if you do 3 minutes of presentation, three parts: introduction, explanation, summary, conclusion. Will you remember these three words, three parts, Aditya?
Yes, sir.
What are the three parts of a presentation? What is the first?
Introduction,
Introduction, yes. Next, explanation.
explanation.
And then summary,
Summary.
conclusion. Conclusion. Okay. So, Sachin, what are the three parts of a presentation?
Sir, introduction, explanation, summary, and conclusion.
Summary, conclusion can be together also. You should also select topics which you don't know. Will it be good or bad for you?
Good.
Why it will be good?
Sir,
Because
because
get the knowledge of
giving presentation, we need to learn that.
Give a presentation on which you know nothing. Okay. Remember,
Okay, sir.
even in your school, when your teacher comes, Aditya bete, you should always raise your hand for the subject you don't know. And then you will do research, and then you will learn that subject, and you will learn something new. Okay, Aditya? Good. So, how do you feel after giving these presentations, Vaishnavi?
Sir, I am feeling happy that I could present.
Okay, good. Did you feel shy or worried, bete? Okay. So, Vishnu, how do you feel after your presentation? What do you feel? Did you do good presentation? What is your own assessment, Vishnu?
So for at the first when at the school and all,
Hmm.
if for speech, if speech they are telling us to take participate, I must feel very shy.
Hmm.
But by presenting this all and by making my English fluent now my interest is more in the speeches and all.
What is that you could have done more?
Conclusion and summary
All right.
means summary. I should have given summary.
All right. So, Aditya, Vaishnavi, yes, yes, Vaishnavi. You should stay with us, Adarsh, and you should listen what
Okay.
Vishnu's, okay? And you should, after learning it, tell your own friends in a LEPI that I learned today COVID, I learned biotic, I learned atmosphere, exosphere, mesosphere. Okay? You should brag them. Tell them, oh, you don't know, I know. Okay? All right, beta.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. All right, friend. Bye bye, bete. Bye bye, bete. Have a good Sunday.
Bye sir.
Bye, bete.
Bye
Bye
sir.
bye.
Have a nice